So these right here are actually these sweet banana peppers. You can see that they're starting to come up. Sweet banana peppers, these are already flowering right here, but then you can actually see right here how they're coming up in there. And then also we have these. So here we have the peppers, and you can also see how they're starting to come up as well. Check this out, you all. Got it, right? So these are our bell peppers. First year growing bell peppers. And then we also have these. And these are sweet peppers as well. This is a little itty bitty baby. Hey, go. Oh, stay away from the... Hey. So this is what we have. We also have... So this is the mint. This is just like a rando. So I usually take all of the leaves off of that. And this is our succulent garden. But here are peppers as well. Here are banana peppers in the brick. This is our bell pepper in the brick. Here is another bell pepper right here. These are our bell peppers. Very small, yet they are growing. These are sweet peppers. This is also a random pepper, and these were ones that we did not think would make it, so we put it in this ceramic pot right here. It has not produced any fruit yet or flowers, but it is still thriving. And here is another bell pepper plant that was in ICU. And I'm going to do a little trimming on this, and it is also surviving. Doesn't have any flowers on it yet, but it is still green, so we'll do a little trim up on that. So taking a look at this one has not produced either. This bell pepper actually just got transplanted maybe a week ago from the crates. Got transplanted from the crate. So we actually have plenty of peppers, and so these are these are sweet peppers, of course. They are coming along, little tinies. I'm gonna get these weeds out, but these are, and I'm gonna do a little trim up around the base and get all of those off today, so that way it can thrive. So these are the sweet peppers here. This in the back. More. Now this is Cole's. Cole, here's your bell pepper. Cole. Look, Cole. So here's Coco, my Yorkie. This is her bell pepper. She loves bell pepper, so every time she come out on the porch, this is the first thing she come to. She sniffs this, makes sure it's still there, shows it some love, say good morning to it or good afternoon to it. Wow, there's a lot of buds that's about to come on this. But yeah, we're going to trim this up so that way it can flower. But Cole, you see your, come here, look. You see your bell pepper? And of course this one. So these are flowering, but they're not producing yet. This one has a little bell pepper on it as well, a sweet pepper. But this one isn't doing so well. So I'm not sure. We may have to put this one in ICU, but this one isn't doing as well. But you know, we don't expect them all to survive. It'll be nice. If you have not done so, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Until next time.